given the pandemic, government had to spend more to support the economy and to support people. And so this rise in public debt is understandable, certainly. But at the same time, given the rise in the public debt, as you mentioned, in the last 2 years, the public debt as a percentage of GDP has risen from 48% to more than 80%. We think that we have to think about, in the medium term, how to make public debt sustainable. Now that the economy is rebounding, I think we can start to talk about fiscal consolidation in the medium term to bring the public debt back on a sustainable path. Of course, fiscal consolidation is one part of it, but at the same time, we think structural reform is also important to bring the economy into a sustainable growth path, so that with proper economic growth, together with fiscal consolidation, we think combined will produce a sustainable path for the public debt. We're suggesting a fiscal consolidation plan for the medium term, exactly for the reason you mentioned, because for small developing countries like Fiji, if you have too much public debt, it makes your country very susceptible to external shocks, including the turbulence and volatility in the international market. That's why we have been advising the Fijian government that now that the economy is rebounding, we need to think about a fiscal consolidation plan in the medium term to create space so that you can withstand shocks better in the future.